Holy, what do we got here? Man, check these jiggers out. A couple of ZX-12Rs. I think I'm seeing double. Holy. Wow, look what we got here. We got two ZX-12Rs, 2006 models. This one was from a fella I know, really good guy. He bought this about 4 years ago and did a few things to it, but essentially the camera's rocking a bit, so here we go. Essentially, mate, this has got 50,000 kilometres on it, 2006 model, beautiful bit of gear. I think she's got the what is it, Dominator pipe, and this has got the old school Muzzy pipe on her. Now it's a 2006 model with about 40,000 Ks on it. I just wanted to show you peeps just what we do get in. I can see that I've got this new tripod and it's not real stable by the looks of it, but who cares. Anyway, so ZX-12R, it's got the seat cowl. You'll see that in about to fall over. I can see that right now. Oh shit, eh? Look at these jiggers here, mate. Got the Muzzy pipe, gold rims, got that gold belly pan on there, really, and these downforce fins. Now I wonder where we see those on bikes lately, hey? Fuel injection there. I think the early ones come out with carbies with those jiggers, so Torquico brakes. That's like a monoblock. Oh no, it's not. There. Beautiful styling on these beauties. This one's got your single seat cowl, which always looks cool. Dominator pipe. Man, they're just a beautiful bike, and if you've never ridden one, ooh, you haven't lived. These things are fantastic. Look at that bloody ram air on it. She's sucking it all up. It's beautiful. Now I've been trying to get these up for a while, so I thought I'd just better show you. Those tank stickers there. Look at this. Mate, a couple of classic bikes becoming very collectible nowadays too. Especially in this condition. You don't tend to see them a lot in this condition. They're just a really nice bike, and you know, I really like this. I really like these bikes. They're just a good thing. I never owned one, but wouldn't say I didn't want to own one. So yeah, check that out. That's a standard tailpiece on it. You know, fair size thing over here. And what he's done over here, he's taken that, cut that back by the looks of it. Cut that back, put some smaller indicators on just to tidy that back end up with that there. Beautiful bit of gear. So yeah. Yeah, so a couple of ZX-12Rs, beautiful bikes. I've got the keys here for them too if you want to have a listen. I'll take the mic, I'll put the mic down to the fun bit. He's got a choke, yeah, he's got a choke there. ZX-12, mate, have a listen to that. Inline 4, 1200 cc's. That's with the Dominator pipe. Now we'll have a listen to this one over here with the Muzzy, my favourite, the old Muzzy. Bit of choke, gives more poke apparently. Oh, he's a bit quieter. I think he's got the baffle in this one by the sounds of it. Yeah, that's not as deep. I think he's got the baffle in it, yeah. He's got the baffle in it. But a couple of good bikes. Old school, I see if it can suck the mic in. A lot of the intake noise nowadays is, now they've quietened all the pipes down, the intake noise on a lot of these is sort of makes a Yeah, that one sounds better, doesn't it? Yeah, so there we go. Couple of ZX-12R, 2006 models. Put that back in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, shivers. Thought she was going to go. Yeah, very rarely do we see these types of bikes here. So I've got two. Come and have a look. If you don't, even just watch the video and share it with some people and say, hey, you know what? These used to be the kick-ass bike of the early to mid 2000s from Kawasaki. Stopped making them in 2006. This is the last of them. The first ones were in 2000, I'm pretty sure, and they ran them for 6 years. So they're a very sought after motorcycle. So one of these will cost you around $8,000, 8,000 Australian dollars. So what's that, about fucking a million pesos or something? I've got no idea. So anyway, here we go. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll take one of these for a ride very shortly, but have a look, rewind, subscribe, have a look at some of our old videos too. I've got heaps. I've got about 50 or 60 videos just on a bit of everything. So I'm sure to find your favourite bike there, because there's a few of them that is mine. So thanks for watching again. Sorry it's been a long time since I posted, but got something worth posting. So hey, keep an eye out for the ride. See you soon. Bye for now. Oh, righto, cool. Thanks, Dave. Still going?
That one was so much cooler.
Oh, wasn't it? What? Yeah, that bloody muzzy thing. I thought I liked the muzzy pipe. They're fucking awesome, but oh well. Cool.